The drone world in 2025 is on fire, and guess what? DJI is back with another game changer. The highly anticipated DJI Neo 2 is finally making headlines, and leaks are already painting a picture of what could be the ultimate compact drone of the year. We're talking about a sleek new design, massive upgrades in camera performance, longer flight times, smarter AI tracking, and even rumors of near 40 minutes of airtime. Rocket positioned right between the Mini 5 Pro and the powerful Mavic 4 Pro, the Neo 2 might just be DJI's perfect sweet spot for creators who want portability without sacrificing pro-level features. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In this video, we're breaking down everything you need to know: rumors, leaks, expected price, features, comparisons, and the possible release date. So, if you've been waiting to upgrade your drone setup in 2025, this could be the one you've been waiting for. Let's dive right in. The drone industry in 2025 is buzzing with excitement, and all eyes are now fixed on DJI as the company prepares for what could be one of its most important releases of the year, the DJI Neo 2. Drones have become an essential part of creative industries, from filmmaking and vlogging to surveying and professional aerial photography. Every new DJI release is a major event, and the Neo 2 has sparked massive curiosity because it blends portability with professional-level performance. In this video, we will dive deep into everything you need to know about the DJI Neo 2, covering leaks, rumored specs, design upgrades, price expectations, competitor comparisons, and the possible release date. This isn't just about another drone, it's about how DJI is shaping the future of aerial creativity for both professionals and hobbyists. The original DJI Neo was a surprise success, carving out a unique position in DJI's drone lineup. It was lighter, more portable, and more accessible than the company's higher-end Mavic series, but still managed to offer enough performance to attract semi-professional creators. The Neo series instantly appealed to those who wanted something smaller than a Mavic, but more powerful than a Mini. With the upcoming Neo 2, DJI is expected to refine that formula even further by adding new levels of camera technology, flight intelligence, and extended battery life. Industry experts suggest that this could be the sweet spot drone of 2025, balancing portability, affordability, and professional-grade features. When it comes to design, rumors indicate that the DJI Neo 2 will adopt a sleeker, more aerodynamic body with enhanced durability. The folding arm structure is expected to remain, but the materials might shift toward lighter composites that reduce overall weight without sacrificing strength. This makes sense given that DJI is under pressure to make drones that meet international drone weight regulations, especially in Europe where staying under certain weight limits makes flying less restrictive. The Neo May 2nd also introduce improved weather resistance, allowing pilots to fly in light rain or windy conditions, something that creators have been asking for over the years. The camera system is arguably the heart of any DJI drone, and this is where the Neo 2 could shine. Based on multiple leaks, the Neo May 2nd carry a larger sensor, potentially moving toward a 1-inch sensor similar to what we see in higher-end drones. A jump in megapixels, perhaps toward a 48MP still image capability, is also expected, along with support for high frame rate 4K and possibly even 6K video recording. DJI has been a pioneer in stabilizing aerial footage, and we can expect the Neo 2 to feature an improved gimbal system along with enhanced electronic image stabilization. This combination